Kodagu sisters Shobha and Rashika honored with National Teachers Award. CBSE ends additional subject option for private candidates from 2026. Defeats flexibility, students slam CBSE's move to scrap additional subjects for private candidates. Telangana ends private colleges tour with rupees 600 crore fee reimbursement release. CM Rekha launches internship to involve youth in governance. Sisters Shobha Emmy and Rashika Emmy from Kodagu have been awarded the prestigious National Awards for Teachers NAT 2025. Shobha, an associate professor from Manipal Institute of Technology, amongst 21 honors from higher education and polytechnic sector. Rashika, a top skill trainer from Bengaluru's Government Tool and Room Training Center, was recognized for her contribution to skill development. Shobha, a PhD holder from NIT Surathkal, has completed global postdoctoral fellowship and led initiatives like Janani Rural Health App and Manipal Marathon. She also accomplished athlete winning medals at international orienting events and ultra marathons. Rashika, an MTech graduate, has mentored winners at India skill competitions and led Karnataka's internal skill league, preparing candidates for World Skill 2026. Starting 2026, CBSE will no longer allow private candidate students not to enroll in a school to take exams in additional subjects for class 10 to 12. This option previously let students for up to 2 years post class 12 add subjects like math, history or accountancy to diversify career paths. The CBSE cited the need for proper schooling and internal assessment which private candidates lack. The board clarified its distinction from NIOS, which offers open and distant education and remains an option for such exams. Students criticized the sudden decision, saying it reduces academic flexibility and affects those exploring new academic or career options. Many felt the change should have been announced earlier in the year to allow better planning. CBSE's decision to scrap the option of appearing in additional subjects for private candidates from 2026 has triggered widespread student backlash. Until now, such candidates, those not enrolled in schools, could take one additional subject in class 12 and two in class 10 to broaden career prospects. The sudden policy change affects drop-year students and those pivoting to new fields, leaving many ineligible for key entrance exam like JEE. Students like Kumar Aditya and Anmol Agnihotri voiced concerns about lost opportunities, calling the move abrupt and unfair, while CBSE clarified that regular students in compartment or essential repeaters can still appear. Private candidates are now restricted to subjects taken earlier. Students urge CBSE to roll back the decision or offer clear alternatives. The Telangana government has resolved the ongoing strike by private college managements by announcing the release of rupees 600 crore towards pending fee reimbursement dues. Deputy CM and Finance Minister Bhatti Vikramanka confirmed the decision, assuring suitable and equitable distribution among colleges with pre-approved tokens to prevent fund monopolization. Despite fiscal strain and the government pledges continued support to students from middle class and unprivileged backgrounds, a committee comprising college representatives and officials will be formed to streamline the reimbursement process. College leaders welcomed the move, citing productive dialogues. Sources noted that institutions had requested for rupees 500 crore to ease operational burdens. Vikramarka emphasized the government's commitment to education, acknowledging the financial backing inherited from the previous regime. The agreement sources academic continuity for thousands of students. Delhi Chief Minister Rekha Gupta has launched the Viksit Delhi Chief Minister Internship Program, offering college students a unique opportunity to engage in governance and policy making. Announced at the Delhi Secretariat on September 15, the initiative aims to empower youth by involving them differently and directly in administrative work. Interns will be assigned to various government departments for 3 months working alongside senior officials and real-time projects. The program is designed to expose students to the challenges of governance and encourage solution-oriented thinking. During the launch event, internship offer letters were distributed to selected students from colleges across the city. The initiative reflects Delhi government's commitment to youth participation in building the capital's for future.